Hello and welcome to this new video on how to send large files on Dropbox. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started. So first you need to open the web browser of its choice. In the top of the web browser there will be a search bar. Just click on it. Now you just have to type Dropbox and press enter in the keyboard. Now the search results will be shown to you. Just click on the first search result that says Dropbox official site. Just click on it, and when the Dropbox interface is shown to you, you just have to look on the top left hand side of the screen. There will be Dropbox text and icons. So you just have to click on that and you will be able to access the home page of Dropbox. And when you're inside this interface, you just have to look on the top right hand side of the screen. There will be an dotted icon, and when you hover around it, it will say explore more Dropbox apps. So you just have to click on it and a pop-up box will appear. So you just have to scroll down a little bit until you are able to see transfer, because this is the app that allows you to deliver large files successfully to anyone. So you just have to click on this transfer, and on the next web page, transfer tab will be opened. Now you just have to click on the create transfer once more, and this is the interface that is shown to you. Now you just have to click on the upload files button that is on the middle of the screen. Just click on it and you just need to choose the file that you want to upload, and you will be able to upload that file easily. So this is how to send large files on Dropbox. So if this video is helpful to you, don't forget to leave a like button. Thank you.